Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Bitcoin report for Monday the 10th of January. So there's no real change in this particular pattern. Obviously we're going to be seeing the market bounce around the 40,000, which is a medium level. Medium levels are halfway between two major levels, 3 and 5 here, and the 3 and 5 come from 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 and 80,000, and then back to 1 again. So just the Fibonacci numbers as a price sequence here, so it gives us that ratio. So yeah, look, there's just further to come down, and we can just expect the market to, bounce off this level here for this, and obviously 30 is the next level down, but between 30 and 40 here this Fibonacci sequence runs again as well. So 31, 32 and 33 make up group 1, and then 35, so 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8. So the Fibonacci numbers there as well. So between, obviously the support under the 40 will be 8 and then 35, so somewhere in that area there. If this is an expanded flat correction up here, well then, we should be taking out this low here for that. But we'll just count the waves as we go. So we've got wave 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. But I don't see any problem with this 2 as a deeper move of also being wave 1 and 2 here. But we're not really getting that really fast move down through here. I mean, it's scooting along, but it's not giving us like a massive third wave to the downside. So we'll just keep plodding along as we go here. So I think I'll just cut straight through to the hourly chart and then the tick chart and pick it up from that blue wave 4 here. So that blue wave 4 minute degree, we're looking at wave 1 here and wave 2 here, and then 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, a nice strong third wave here, fourth wave, and we'll call this the fifth wave of the third here, back for the fourth here. There could be another little move to the upside here on this, because the 38.2% retracement level is closer to top of group 1 here, so 1, 2 and 3. And the market can pull back to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. So I don't think so. I think it's okay as it is, but yeah, it's okay for it to push back into that space before seeing 5 waves down. And when it obviously comes down through here, it's going to get another bounce off here, and we'll see that also as a wave 4 coming back to these wave 4s of 1 lesser degree before moving on further down here. So the extension between, well, out of the 5 waves here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we don't have wave 5 here yet, but we can see that wave 3 here is not the same length as wave 1, so we can say that wave 3 has the extension in it. So wave 1 and wave 5 coming down here will be roughly the same. Take that just as a rule of thumb and a pinch of salt and all the rest of it. So we'll check the tea leaves for that. But yeah, anyway, there's going to be support at the 40,000, and that's pretty obvious to everybody. And we'll see the market sort of bob along and bounce there and eventually move through it. And the first support under the 38, well, of course 39 is, but of any serious degree will be the number 8. Because people think of, if the market was trading up to 10, people don't think of 9 and 11, not everybody anyway, but most people, if they're thinking of 10, they want to get out early, they'll think of 8. So 8 becomes more dominant over than 9. But 9 plays its role as well, of course. I don't think there's anything we can glean from the tick chart here, but let's just take a little look at that. So from wave 4 here, it's all the same, so 1 and 2 and 1. And an A, B, C, D, E here for wave 2. So we've got a complicated wave 2 here. So we're going to see a simple wave 4 over here. But once again, we just sort of push on down. So I'll leave it at that. We're not going to go into any alternative counts at the moment for all of this. There are some, but don't want to confuse you. It's pretty obvious that we're just going to be bouncing to the downside. I did want to have a look at Ethereum just as a secondary sort of count. So this is the top up near the major trading level 5 here. So we've got 5 waves here for an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave for wave A here, and then an A and a B. And we can see 5 waves here. So I'm thinking we could look at this as an A and a B over here. We could look at it as 1, 2 as well, by the way, but this is just for ideas. It's nothing sort of exceptional, but wave 1 here with an A wave here, B wave here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave, and down for 1 and back for 2 and down for 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5, coming down in this particular fashion. So, I just thought I'd throw that out. And obviously we've got a major trading level here, 3, so we're going to see it bounce there. There's from 3 here, once again we can count from 3,000 to 4,000 here. The Fibonacci numbers 1, 2, 3. We can put number 5 in here and then number 8 here. So it's okay for it to bounce and come and sit above 3,300, but I would not expect it to find support, a tested support on that number, because if it did, we would be going long from that point. But I can see that even from this wave 1 and 2 here, a nice third wave here. We're not finished with 4 and 5 just within this structure here. So certainly more downside to come. Alrighty, I'll just leave it at that. It's all pretty simple at this stage. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.